Today, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy, whole food, plant-based, oil-free version of the Bolivian dish Sonso de Yuca. That's next. Yucca is an amazing source for resistant starch. Resistant starch means it's resistant to digestion and functions like soluble fiber. Resistant starch has incredible health benefits. This includes improved insulin sensitivity, lower blood sugar levels, reduced appetite, and it aids digestion. Resistant starch also feeds the good bacteria in your intestine. Resistant starch has fewer calories than regular starch and may increase the feeling of fullness to help you lose weight. Cheese is typically mixed in with the yuca mash. I used Nutritional Yeast, which is a great source for various vitamin Bs and has a cheesy taste. However, you could use a non-dairy cheese if you prefer. They now have some really good oil-free non-dairy cheeses available. Depending on the wetness of the mixture, you can decide whether to add the oat flour or not. My mixture was too wet to shape onto the skewer, so I put the oat flour in and had to mix it with my hands because the mixture was too thick for me to do otherwise. When you shape them onto your skewers, you can make them round or long. It's really just a matter of preference. I tried it both ways and they were both delicious. I didn't use oil in this video because it's unnecessary calories and won't add any flavor to the dish. I simply wait till my pan is hot. I put the yuca skewers in and cook them till warm. You can also grill these, and that's a very popular way to cook them. That's why they like using skewers, because they will put them directly onto a grill to cook. These skewers taste a bit like a potato patty on a stick. Serve them with a salsa or non-dairy crema. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the little bell button so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. I'll be back soon with another delicious recipe. Hasta luego!